2006 Pontiac G6. See how fast that baby's flashing? Yeah, that one flashing? That's a normal flash. Okay. So when they're flashing like that, that means you got a bad bulb. See, I can see the front one flashing, right? Now I'm gonna go back to the back. Do you see that one flashing? Nope. Okay, so now we gotta take out the bulb. In order to get access to it, you need to remove this in the trunk. You need to move this panel. Gotta take off this nut. Okay, they just unthread. They just unthread because they just push on there. Get that out of the way. Pull that out. And you got 3 10s. Got 1, 2, 3. Okay. Remove those 3. There's the 310 nuts. And just pull out the light. Comes out real easy. And if you got a running light out, you want to take that one out. It's gonna need got a backup light burned out. You want to replace that one. Backup light, turn, run light, and a running light. So you grab it, turn it, like a third, pull it out. Got a little tint to it that's black. That means it's bad. See the element off to the side inside there? No good. Okay. Just so you know, that the bulb, you just pull it straight out. No special way to get it out. And when you get it out, let's see, let me take it out. Hold on. Like I said, it just pulls straight out. Okay. Just push it in there. Like that. Line it up. Line it up. Yeah, right. Not easy doing this one-handed. Anyway, get it in there. Push it in, snaps in. Go turn your lights on, see if it works. Okay? Let's go do that. Okay. Best way to do it is you turn your hazards on and it works to turn and tail lights and brake lights on most cars. Okay, so then you put your nuts on. Put your panel back up, put your net back in there, and you're all set. If you enjoyed it and it helped you, that's awesome. And if you could subscribe to me, that'd be awesome too. But if you already did subscribe to me, that's even better. Thank you.